Has your Epson L1800 printer suddenly stopped printing? Don't worry, this is actually fixable. There are usually a few reasons why this happens, and I'm going to walk you through 3 different methods to get your printer printing again. We'll start by cleaning the printhead, and then we'll update the firmware, and finally we'll update your printer driver. One of these is guaranteed to work for you. If you need extra help, just call the numbers on your screen. Otherwise, let's fix this together. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Update firmware. Open your web browser and go to official Epson firmware update website. Scroll down and click on the Download It Here link. On the new page, scroll down and click the Download button for your operating system. When the download finishes, save the file on your computer. Find the downloaded file, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. An Epson license agreement window will pop up. Read it and select Agree, then click OK. In the Epson software window, select your printer model. Let the Epson software updater check for available updates. Just wait a moment. When updates show up on the updater window, click the firmware updater and click Install Items. Another license agreement window will appear. Read it, select Agree, and click OK. Wait while the firmware updater downloads the latest firmware for your printer. A new window will open showing the firmware update instructions. Read them and click Start. Wait for the firmware update to prepare. This might take a moment or two. Once the update is complete, click Finish and try printing something to see if it's working now. If updating the firmware fixes it, awesome. Please subscribe to our channel. But if printing is still not working, let's try updating the printer driver because that's usually the final solution. Method 2. Update printer driver. Open your web browser and go to Epson's official support website. Scroll down and find the section that says Search by product name or serial number. Type in your printer's name or serial number. Click Search and select your model from the results. You'll be taken to Printer's support page. Now, pick your operating system from the drop-down and click Go. Click on the Downloads tab and then expand the Drivers section. Find the latest driver available and click the Download button. Once the download finishes, open the downloaded file. A confirmation box will appear asking for permission. Click Allow to proceed. A welcome window will open. Go ahead and click Continue. Read the license agreement and click Continue again. If you see a screen asking you to agree to the terms and conditions, click Agree. When the Destination Select screen appears, choose where to install it and click Continue. Go to Installation Type tab and click Install to start the installation. Pop-up might ask for the computer's password. Go ahead and type it in. Enter your password again and click Install Software to continue. The installer will now prepare everything and automatically begin installing for your new printer driver. Once it's installing, click Close. Your Epson printer driver is now updated and ready to go. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.